to show you the 2014 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: powered driver's seat, backup camera, remote engine start, navigation system, premium wheels, traction control, driver airbag, cruise control, rear defroster, climate control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.